Good morning. It has come to our attention that there are many students who do not have the MAP app on their computer. The school district technology department sent out instructions to go right to Software Center to upload it. This does not always work. Therefore, I have a very quick thing that all students should probably do before they start taking the test. And that would be just follow these instructions. Down at the little button right here, you click on the start button and type in GPUPDATE space. Very important, put the space / force, and then the students will see this run command. Click on that, and it's going to update and push out all of the software updates that students will need. This will allow for the students to be able to update or download it on Software Center. If they try to upload it on Software Center before doing this, it just gets in this time loop and sucks their battery away. Once it updates, it's going to say computer policy update is completed successfully. At this point, have the students click on their start button, click on the power, and restart. It's going to take a little while for students to have all of their software updates to come. Ask them to be patient, and then Software Center will be able to upload it. If there are any students who do not have Software Center on their computer, please send them to the library to Miss Frank. She will get it uploaded. There's also information involving accommodations, but I would rather be able to deliver that information in person. So if you have time, come to my class, or the CT office, excuse me, and I can help you, or I can come to your room. Please have a good day, and we will get through this together.